Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna spread. First, grab two 5-ounce cans of your favorite tuna, whether it's packed in oil or water. The key is to drain it really well. Nobody wants watery tuna spread. Once drained, gently flake the tuna into a medium mixing bowl. This ensures a good base for our delicious spread. Get ready for a simple, yet incredibly tasty recipe. Now for the flavor. Add 1/4 cup of good quality mayonnaise to your flaked tuna. This creates that wonderfully creamy texture we all love. Next, finely chop about 2 tablespoons of crisp celery. It adds a fantastic crunch. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sweet relish for a perfect balance of tang and sweetness. These ingredients are crucial for the only way to make it. Time to season our spread to perfection. Start with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. Then, add about 1/8 teaspoon of salt, but remember, you can always adjust this to your personal preference. Now, gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is thoroughly combined. You want a consistent mixture, not a mushy one. This careful mixing is what makes it truly special. Your perfect tuna spread is now ready to enjoy. Serve it up on your favorite crackers, a slice of toasted bread, or as a delicious sandwich filling. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh parsley or a lemon wedge. It truly elevates the experience. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.